Let's dive into the intriguing process of making salmon, where the stakes are high and the flavors are rich. It's a journey where precision and tradition collide to create something truly extraordinary. How is it done? The journey of producing high-quality salmon starts with selecting the perfect fish, a step that sets the tone for the entire process. This stage is vital because the quality of the salmon directly affects the final product. Both wild-caught and farm-raised salmon are meticulously evaluated based on criteria such as size, fat content, and overall health. Wild-caught salmon is often preferred for its richer flavor and firmer texture, while farm-raised salmon offers consistency and year-round availability. The stakes are incredibly high. A single error in this phase could jeopardize the entire batch, leading to wasted resources and countless hours of labor. Expert knowledge and meticulous care are essential to ensure that only the best salmon are selected. Specialists use their experience and keen eyes to pick salmon that meet strict quality standards, laying a strong foundation for the subsequent steps in the process. This careful selection process ensures that the journey of each salmon from ocean or farm to factory begins on the right note, ensuring quality at every step. Once the salmon is selected, the next critical step is harvesting. For wild-caught salmon, this involves a fleet of boats navigating challenging and often treacherous waters, employing methods like gill netting or trolling to catch the fish. This requires experienced fishermen who can handle the complexities of the open sea. In contrast, farm-raised salmon are harvested in controlled environments where the fish are carefully netted and transferred. Timing the harvest is crucial to ensure the fish are at their peak quality, capturing the optimal flavor and texture. Gentle handling during this phase is essential to avoid stress and bruising, which can negatively impact the taste and texture of the salmon. The success of this stage depends heavily on the skill and expertise of the fishermen and aquaculture workers, who play a vital role in ensuring that only the highest quality salmon make it to the processing facilities. This step is laden with stakes, as mishandling can lead to compromised quality and significant losses. After harvesting, the salmon must be swiftly transported to the processing plant to maintain its freshness and quality. This stage is critical and involves using refrigerated trucks or specialized containers designed to keep the salmon at optimal temperatures. The transportation process is a race against time, as any delays can lead to spoilage. The salmon are kept on ice to preserve their freshness and prevent bacterial growth. Efficient logistics and coordination are paramount to ensure that the fish arrive at the factory in pristine condition. The stakes are high in this phase. Mishandling or delays during transportation can compromise the entire batch, leading to significant financial losses and wasted efforts. Every minute counts, and the transportation team works meticulously to ensure the salmon are delivered swiftly and safely. The journey from the harvest site to the factory is a crucial link in the chain, safeguarding the quality of the salmon for the subsequent processing stages. Upon arrival at the factory, the salmon undergoes initial inspection and cleaning to remove any impurities. This is followed by the processing and filleting stage, where skilled workers and advanced machinery collaborate to transform whole fish into clean, boneless fillets. The heads, guts, and bones are carefully removed with precision to ensure that each fillet meets high-quality standards. Precision is critical, as even minor errors can affect the yield and quality of the fillets. The fish is handled with great care to maintain its texture and appearance throughout the process. The filleting must be done quickly to ensure the fish remains fresh. This stage requires a blend of traditional craftsmanship and modern technology, with workers relying on their expertise and high-tech machines to achieve the desired outcomes. The filleting process is crucial as it prepares the salmon for the next stages, ensuring that each piece is perfect and ready for smoking or other preparations. The balance of speed, skill, and precision at this stage ensures that the final product is of the highest quality, meeting the expectations of consumers who demand excellence in their salmon. Once the salmon is filleted, the next critical step is smoking, a process that infuses the fish with a rich, complex flavor. Initially, the fillets undergo curing in a blend of salt, sugar, and occasionally additional spices. This curing step not only preserves the fish but also enhances its natural taste. After curing, the salmon is placed in specialized smoking chambers where it is exposed to wood smoke at carefully controlled temperatures. The choice of wood, such as hickory or applewood, plays a significant role in imparting unique flavors to the fish. Smoking is a delicate art that requires constant vigilance to ensure each fillet is evenly smoked and develops the desired flavor profile. This stage is pivotal in creating the distinct taste that smoked salmon is celebrated for. The entire process, from curing to smoking, must be meticulously managed to achieve the perfect balance of smokiness and flavor, making this step a cornerstone in the production of high-quality smoked salmon. Following the smoking process, the salmon fillets are cooled and then meticulously sliced into thin, uniform pieces. Slicing is a precise art, as the thickness of each slice directly affects the texture and flavor of the final product. Advanced slicing machines are employed to ensure consistency and efficiency, but the role of skilled workers remains crucial. Each slice is carefully inspected to meet stringent quality standards. The goal is to produce slices that are not only easy to handle, but also offer a perfect balance of flavor and texture. Proper slicing enhances the presentation of the salmon, making it visually appealing and ready for packaging. The meticulous care taken during slicing ensures that each piece of salmon maintains its integrity and quality, setting the stage for a delightful culinary experience for consumers. With the salmon now expertly sliced, the next vital step is packaging. Proper packaging is essential to maintaining the freshness, flavor, and quality of the salmon until it reaches the consumer. The slices are carefully placed into vacuum-sealed packages to remove air and prevent spoilage. Labels are then applied, providing important information such as ingredients, nutritional facts, and expiration dates. This packaging not only protects the salmon during transport, but also extends its shelf life. The sealed packages are then boxed and prepared for distribution. This stage is critical, as any errors in packaging can lead to spoilage and compromise the product's integrity. The meticulous attention to detail in packaging ensures that the salmon remains fresh and flavorful, preserving its high quality from the factory to the consumer's table. Proper packaging is the final step in delivering a premium product that meets consumer expectations. Every package is designed to withstand the rigors of transportation and storage, ensuring that the salmon arrives in perfect condition. The use of high-quality materials and state-of-the-art packaging technology reflects the commitment to excellence at every stage of production. From vacuum sealing to labeling, each step is executed with precision to uphold the brand's reputation for delivering top-tier products. This comprehensive approach to packaging is integral to maintaining the integrity of the salmon, providing consumers with a product that is both delicious and safe. Throughout the entire production process, stringent quality control measures are in place to ensure the highest standards are met. Each stage, from selecting the salmon to packaging, involves meticulous inspections and checks. Quality control teams monitor factors like temperature, hygiene, and product consistency. Any deviations from the standards are addressed immediately to prevent compromised products from reaching the consumer. The goal is to ensure that every package of salmon that leaves the factory meets the high expectations of taste, texture, and safety. Maintaining rigorous quality control is essential for building and preserving consumer trust. Advanced technology and skilled technicians work together to perform tests and inspections at various stages of production. These checks include microbial testing, temperature monitoring, and sensory evaluations to ensure that the salmon not only meets, but exceeds industry standards. The commitment to quality control extends beyond the factory, with regular audits and feedback mechanisms to continuously improve processes. This relentless focus on quality assurance guarantees that consumers receive a product that is safe, nutritious, and of the highest quality. By prioritizing quality control, the company demonstrates its dedication to excellence and its responsibility to its consumers. So there you have it, a fascinating journey from selecting the right salmon to the perfectly smoked and sliced product we love. This process artfully combines age-old traditions with modern precision to deliver flavors that are cherished on dinner tables around the world. If you want to explore more exciting Field 2 fork stories, watch our next video.